To add custom JavaScript to your Shopify store, you can follow these steps to enhance your store's functionality, improve user experience, or integrate third-party tools. Log into Shopify admin. Visit Shopify and log into your store's admin panel. Access the online store theme editor. In the Shopify admin, click on Online Store and then choose Themes. Edit code. Under the Theme section, click on the Actions drop-down next to the active theme and select Edit code. Add JavaScript to the theme. To add custom JavaScript to your store, open the theme.liquid file or the theme.js file, depending on where you want to place the script. For the theme.liquid file, scroll to the bottom of the file and just before the closing body tag, add your JavaScript code. This ensures the script loads after the page content. For theme.js, simply paste your custom code within the file. Save changes. After adding your JavaScript code, click Save to apply the changes. Test your changes. Refresh your store and check the functionality to make sure your JavaScript is working as expected.